Hey everybody, it's DJ DeCosmo with DAS Companies Incorporated. Coming to you from my home right now. Due to the pandemic, I'm working from home, but we are open for business. We're shipping like we normally do. I'm going to take a minute to show you some cool stuff today. What I wanted to show you today is the variable resistors from Install Bay. It's IBVR is the part number, and it's a 5-pack of variable resistors. These are great if you're ever in a situation where you need to find a resistor and you have to dig through a big parts bin and put your meter on each one, or read the color codes and try to figure out exact ohms you need. This makes all this so much easier. If you look at my meter, I've actually got the leads hooked up right now. We're on ohms in the auto range. And if you'll notice, if I put my flathead on here and just turn, you could really dial it in. You'll see the meter change ever so slowly as I twist this. And it really lets you fine tune that so you can get within that 10% resistance tolerance that you need to operate whatever function it is in the vehicle. So really cool, nice time saver, inexpensive, and it's just a good thing to have in the shop. Everybody should have these. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to give these a shot, please give us a call at 1-800-233-7009. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. As always, we appreciate your business. Thank you.